Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're gonna do again a negative space, but it's a negative space that it's Nicole who wanted it, because we have at home two other negative space that we did, and to make it a whole set we have to do 3 of them, so it's gonna go all of them together. So I think it's gonna be nice. I think this time we're going to use only, like I did the 2 other painting that we did negative space, we're going to use only water with our acrylic, because I want to have the less cells possible, since the other don't have it, and like I said, I want the 3 of them to match. The 3 colors that we use in all of them, but on different sides. You know, the background for one is black, the other one is yellow, and the other one is white. So I think it's going to be nice. So let's go and try it, and we'll see that sometimes the simple way is the best way. So let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. hope you're gonna agree that the result is great. I know that I say that almost every time, but for me, of course, like most of you, pouring, it's hard to go wrong, and especially with dipping. Even a dipping is quite nice, and a negative space, I think it's always nice, since the background make the work in front more available for your eyes. You know, it's more special. So as you saw, it's strange what it did on the side. I'm not exactly sure why, but I think it's quite nice. I think it's very nice, as a matter of fact. And as you saw, because I always put too much paint for my background, so this time I use a brush, and I got rid of a lot, so I think it's best that way. So guys, I hope you like it. I hope, again, it's something that you're gonna try, because it's quite simple, and as you can see all sorts of thing inside, and I think it's quite nice. So guys, like always, I hope you're gonna try it, and please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Ciao.